Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Mazda CX-5 key fob. Before you begin, gather all your existing and new key fobs. Make sure your vehicle's battery is fully charged to avoid interruptions. You'll also need to locate the programming button, which is typically found under the dashboard. Having everything ready ensures a smooth and successful programming process for your vehicle's remote entry system. To enter programming mode, first ensure all your car doors are closed, then unlock only the driver's side door. Next, insert your key into the ignition and remove it 8 separate times. You should then see the door lock cycle automatically, which confirms that your vehicle has successfully entered the key fob programming mode. This step is crucial for the system to recognize new remotes. Once in programming mode, take your first key fob and press any button on it 2 times. The door lock should cycle again to confirm it's registered. If you have additional key fobs, repeat this exact step for each one within 30 seconds of the previous fob. After all fobs are programmed, simply remove the key from the ignition to exit the programming sequence. This saves all your new settings. After programming, it's essential to test every key fob to ensure they all function correctly with your Mazda CX-5. Try locking and unlocking the doors with each remote. If any fob isn't working, don't worry. Simply repeat the entire programming sequence from the beginning. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other great deals. A little patience will get all your fobs working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.